How to fix iOS 17 update not showing on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus, and in today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix iOS 17 update not showing on your iPhone. Now, these techniques do not only work for iOS 17, it can also be used for iOS 18 or some other versions of your software. So if any version of software update is not available or not showing on your iPhone, you can use these techniques. So now, let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is check your Wi-Fi's connection. Now, what you'll need to make sure of it is that you have a really strong Wi-Fi connection. It does not need to be really fast, you just need to have a good connection. If you are already connected to your internet, you can maybe try to turn on and turn off your airplane mode. That's a really quick fix. So after you do so, what you need to do is go to your settings. After you're on your settings, go to general and go to software update. Now here, check for any software updates. If there is still no iOS 18 or 17 showing, what you need to do is you need to check your iPhone storage. Now you'll need to make sure that you have enough storage to download your software update. So if you have enough space and it still does not show, what you need to do is you need to go to your general again, and after you're on your general, scroll down till you find transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it, tap on reset, and here you need to reset your network settings. So after you reset your network settings, you should have the update available. If it still does not work after that, come back to this page again, tap on reset and reset all of your settings. After you reset all of your settings, your problem should get fixed. Now, if it still does not work, what you'll need to do is you'll need to go to general again and scroll down till you find VPN and device management. Tap on VPN and device management and make sure that you're not connected to any VPN or you are not on any beta mode. So after you do so, you can just go back and you might want to restart your iPhone. Tap on your accessibility, touch, and go to devices, tap on more and tap on restart. Now guys, after you've done all of these techniques, your problem will get fixed and you will have the update option available. And yeah, that is basically all for the video.